Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So if you want to see how I made this delicious coconut coca oats, keep watching. So what I'm doing here is just to add water. I use 3 cups of water. Take note that you can actually make it to before either 3 or 4 cups. It's okay. It just depends on how the consistency you want. So that's just it. So the next, I just allow the water to boil, and after it has boiled, I went ahead to add 1 cup of oats. I'm actually using coca oats. So you just go ahead and stir it. Just keep stirring it for about 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, you are good to go. Take note that if it's too thick, you can decide to add more water depending on the consistency you want. So take note, like I said earlier, you can actually use 3 cups of water or 4 cups of water for 1 cup of coca oats. So that's just it. As you can see, my coca oat is ready. So I went ahead and dish it into a plate. You can see my own consistency. So it's not too watery, it's not too thick, just somewhere in between. So the next thing I did was to go ahead and add the shredded coconut. You can actually use grated coconut. Then go ahead and add the milk. I'm using the pig powdered milk. You can actually use any milk of your choice, condensed milk, liquid milk, any milk of your choice. So that's just that. You just go ahead and give it a good stir. Also, you can decide to add sugar. Sugar is actually optional. So that's just it. Just give it a good stir and then go ahead and enjoy your delicious coconut and coca oats porridge. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share my video till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.